Hi, I'm Melissa Catherine, and I want to invite you to my live event coming up called Done with Dieting Live. It's happening in San Diego on November 8th. Now, here's the reason. This is why you should come. This event is not like any other event. It is one day where you have the opportunity to say yes to an opportunity that's presenting itself right now to you in this very moment. And the reason you're seeing this is because you've been asking for support. You've been asking for guidance, and I am here to support you with that. If you've been struggling with your weight, if you've been dieting your whole life, if you continue to gain and lose, if you're always measuring yourself up against who you think you should be versus who you are, if you notice that there's goals that you continually are wanting to achieve in your life, and you keep getting in your own way, and you don't know why, and you're frustrated. If you're sitting there knowing that there is greatness that's within you, because it is, and you just need support in getting it out, and that every step forward you seem to take 10 steps backwards, I'm here to tell you there is a reason, and that is not the place for you and not a place that you deserve to stay in. You deserve to be seen. You deserve to have the body that you want. You deserve to have the life that you want. And all of this can be achieved. I've done it myself. I've helped thousands of women around the world do this. And I'm here to not only show you in this one-day live event the most powerful and impactful exercises, techniques, tools, and experiences, because this will be a highly experiential event. I'm going to show you these, but anybody that's ever attended any of my private retreats that have truly up until now only been open to my clients, that this work, these techniques, these tools, the things that you're going to learn here will forever transform you, not only on the inside, but you will reap the benefits on the outside. Now, the only way for you to know what this is all about is for you to actually say yes to this opportunity that's right in front of you at this very moment. Because the thing that I know is that no change, no change. You cannot expect a different result doing the exact same thing. And the only time we truly change is when we seize the opportunities that are presented to us. And this is that chance for you. I hope to see you there.